brought the course over here.
Sit down. Be humble.
Want to know something cool? My videos on YouTube have never got so fast views than than the video I made yesterday.
Really?
I mean, I got 2 videos. One's in its thousands already that got viewed, and the other one's like close to 300.
That's good.
Yep.
Hey, Papa Willie!
Yeah, Papa Willie.
Oh, that's me.
Okay. I get enough space. No, for real.
Move over. Somebody want to be like you. I don't want to be like you. I just
Why'd you move over there?
Other than Papa Willie.
Oh my goodness, that scared me.
Rev it! I said rev it. Rev it! Harder!
At least it's got a 78.
Alright, don't come look at them. We're not going to be getting on them though.
Okay.
Bro, can you Papa Willie?
No, it has one control.
That's cool.
Watch out on the tailpipes.
This is nice.
The pipes, all the pipes are going to be hot probably, so.
Well, let's go with this quicker one.
These pipes oh, that one good, but the other one control.
But so green controls our lights. Creation. You hold it to turn them off, and then these are our other lights.
What is the thing? That's the thing.
Yeah, this is my radar. If I'm moving or stationary, that's my different type right here. So I can do front, rear, same, and fast.
Grab this one.
I wish I did. This is how we talk.
Oh yeah, I never gave you my YouTube channel's name, so you can go look at the video.
Talks to this.
I thought about that when I got home because I saw her live.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll give you I'll write it down on one of the notebook papers when we get inside.
How are we able to?
Dude, I already got 9 views.
What do you?
Like I've never gotten 9 views in one day. That was freaking awesome.
See how all this is exposed?
So this is this right here, but it's very loud.
That one?
That's the horn, and this is the siren.
Hey,
Hey, give it a shot. Scare it. All right.
Oh goodness.
What's this green button? That's your lights. He just told you.
I know that. These are the lights, and then these are my other lights.
Dude, it's hot out here.
Wig wag.
Pull it up. The siren's right.
lights and sirens too fast, or he's chasing somebody. Turn the siren on that side, he's right there.
I'll do it.
Oh, bro.
Hey, what's he saying?
I was sensing it. I can sense stuff.
Yes, that's
And you'll be able to see everything through the windshield like I do.
All right. Anybody else got any more questions? What do you think, man? Motorcycles?
Say again? I can let you have what?
I wouldn't do that.
I can let you have what?
Just to be clear, I got permission to video before I started videoing.
That's not what I meant.
Oh, did it go to 80? This one, and I can't see it.
Hey, listen, guys. Listen to me. If you got questions, you want to take pictures with them by their bikes, let's get it done because it is hot out here and they got to go back out into this heat. So let's do what we got to do. And lunch is almost ready and I'm sweating. Yeah. If you guys would all get around,
Jay, look at me.
I'll send it to you. You want to take one by yourself? Me? You want a picture of me? No way. I wanted it 49 states. Oklahoma's the only one.
I'd like the picture.
You want a picture of me too?
Oh, I meant the picture that you were gonna take.
Well, come on this side. You're gonna take, because I want to take one the whole group.
Oh,
You want me on this side or the other side? You pick. It's your picture. Okay. All right, my picture. Y'all get out of the way. Get out of the way. All right. All right, y'all get around. Come on, let's take pictures.
Looking for the new one.
Just line up on that side of the bike. Y'all don't want to cover the bikes up.
I'll get with you. I guess I'll stop the video here because we're probably about to head back inside for lunch, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
He said
yeah.
it's almost ready.
Okay, yeah, I'll just stop it.